determine the equation of the tangent line to y equals x squared minus 2x minus 8 at -3 and 7 using the slope of the tangent line equaling to the limit as x tends to a of f of x minus f of a over x minus a. So we will define f of x first. F of x is the following quadratic function, minus 8, and a will be the x-coordinate of the point of tangency, so a equals -3. So at this point we can plug in this expression here, we can plug in f of x. It's just going to be the following equation. F of a is going to be the same expression, but where x equals to -3 because a equals -3. So if we go ahead and do that, the slope of the tangent line equals the limit as x tends to a is -3, so x tends to -3. In the numerator we have f of x, so it's going to be x squared minus 2x minus 8 minus f of a, so it's going to be -3 squared minus 2 times -3 minus 8. In the denominator we have just x minus a, so minus -3. Okay, we can simplify this expression. So it's going to be the limit as x tends to -3. Now in the numerator, this expression here, that's your f of a, that represents the y-coordinate at the point of tangency. Well, we can certainly evaluate this, but we already know what the y-coordinate of the point of tangency is. It's 7. And of course, if you evaluate this, so -3 squared is +9, plus 6 is 15, minus 8 is 7. So we already know that this is supposed to equal to 7. So we just drop the brackets. We're going to get x squared minus 2x minus 8 and minus 7 in the numerator. Denominator is going to be x plus 3. We can combine those two terms in the numerator. So we're going to get the limit as x tends to -3 of x squared minus 2x minus 15 over x plus 3. Now to proceed here, we are going to factor the numerator. It can be factored as x minus 5 times x plus 3. We can check that. -5 plus 3 is -2. -5 times 3 is -15, so that's correct. Denominator is x plus 3. And now we see that the two binomials x plus 3 just cancel. And we're left with the limit as x goes to -3 of x minus 5. So to evaluate the limit at this point, we just substitute in -3. So -3 minus 5 equals to 8. -8. Okay. So this is the slope. This is the slope of the tangent line. Now they want us to determine the equation of the tangent line. So we're going to continue here. So determine the equation of the tangent line so we're going to start with slope point form. Y minus y1 equals the slope minus x times x minus x1. We have the slope, it's -8, and we do have a point. We can use the following point and plug it in. So we're going to get y minus 7 equals -8 times x. And so it's minus x1, but x1, or the x is negative, so it's going to become plus 3. And now we can rearrange this. We are going to expand it, multiply the -8 into the bracket, add 7 to both sides to move it over. So we're going to get -8x minus 24 plus 7. And if we clean this up, we're going to get -8x, -27 plus 7 is -17. So that's the equation of the tangent line in slope y-intercept form.